Hey guys, and welcome back to Polestar Tech. In this video, we will download Python and discuss the basic format and tools that comes with it. So let's first go on to python.org. This is the site where we can download Python. If you scroll down to where it says download, we can click on the latest version of Python and scroll all the way down to where it says files. These are the various different files you can use to download Python. Choose the file which is most suitable for your computer. I already have Python installed on my computer, so if you guys need time to pause this video and install Python, take your time. But after you install Python, you should see an icon wherever you saved it called IDLE. Let's click on that icon and we should see a shell window pop up. So, one of the reasons Python is so easy to use is because it comes with tools that help you design, write, and debug your program. There are two main tools in Python. One is called interactive and the other is called script. Interactive is what you see in front of you right now. It's distinguished by the 3 greater than symbols. You can do almost anything in interactive mode that you can do in a regular Python script program. Even write multi-line programs. Think of interactive mode as a sandbox for experimenting safely with Python, a tutor, and a tool to find and fix problems in your programs. Also, you cannot save what you type in interactive mode. If you want to keep a copy of what you wrote, save your code and result in a file on your computer, or in a script. You can use interactive mode as a calculator. You can manipulate text, make assignments, and finally, you can import modules, which are libraries of different functions, or parts of longer programs, and test them. These features can ideally help you experiment with Python objects without writing long programs and debug programs by importing parts of your program one at a time. To access script, you can click on New File or the shortcut Control-N or Command-N. Here you can write your multi-line programs and save them locally on your computer. IDLE is great to use, but for me personally, it's not my favorite. Another IDE that you can use is Visual Studio. This is one of my favorite IDEs to use. Now I'm going to tell you guys how to install Visual Studio. You also don't need to install Visual Studio. If you guys prefer to use IDLE, feel free. The only things that will be different is how you run the program, but other than that, the syntax of Python, it will virtually be the same. But to install Visual Studio, let's search up Visual Studio on Google or any other search engine. Click on the link by Microsoft, and we should get redirected to a page where we have to choose between 3 different Visual Studio files. The 2 on the outside are paid versions of Visual Studio. The one in the middle, Visual Studio Code, is completely free. Once you install it and open it up, you should get redirected to a page that looks like this. Let's click on New File and save this. Remember to save this on a location in your computer where you save all your Python code in the future. Let's name it hello world.py. .py is the Python extension to any file. This tells the computer that the file that you're working with is a Python file. So in this file, let's all type in print hello world. And there you have it, guys. You completed your first Python program. Thank you for watching, and this is Polestar Tech.